To verify your Mexc account, start by locating the App Store on your device and opening it. In the App Store, you'll see a search button at the bottom. Click on it and type in Mexc in the search bar. The Mexc app, which allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, should be one of the first options to appear. Download the app, then exit the App Store and find the Mexc app on your device. Open the app and log in by clicking on the profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home page, where you need to click on Authentication. If you're using the web version, you'll see Unverified in red letters. Click on it to begin the verification process. You'll then see an option to verify your account through an advanced KYC process. Click on Verify to start the verification process, which will guide you through the necessary steps to verify your account. This process is quite straightforward. Simply log into your profile, click on the Unverified button, and follow the verification process.